Unlock the full potential of your design process by seamlessly connecting Figma to your favorite apps with Zapier. First, head over to Zapier and click Create Zap to begin building your automation. In the Trigger section, search for and select Figma as your first app. Then, choose the trigger event that will kickstart your automation. For instance, you could select New Comment to be notified whenever someone leaves feedback on your designs. Next, connect your Figma account to Zapier. You may need to grant permission for Zapier to access your Figma data. Once your Figma account is connected, test your trigger to ensure it's working correctly now. Let's set up the action. What happens after your trigger fires? For this example, we'll choose Slack and a Send Channel Message action. Connect your Slack account and then customize the message you want to send. You can dynamically pull information directly from your Figma trigger, like the comment text and the name of the file it's on. Review your Zap and then turn it on. Now, every time a new comment is added to your Figma files, a notification will instantly appear in your designated Slack channel. You can automate so much more, like getting notified of file updates, team invitations, or even sending Figma design links to your project management tools. This automation helps you track design changes, keep stakeholders informed, and integrate Figma effortlessly into your existing workflow, saving you valuable time and effort. Start automating your design tasks today with Zapier and Figma.